Good morning, children. Today we will do linkers. As the name suggests, children, it links something. Let's see. Linkers are those words which link or join two or more words, sentences, or clauses. Okay, children, what are linkers? Linkers are words which link or join or add two or more words or sentences or clauses. Let's see the example of linkers. You know that and is a word which we use generally to add two or more things. But is also a linker, or is a linker, because is a linker, and many more linkers are there. That as well as either or, neither nor. Okay? But here we will read about four linkers: and, but, or, because. These are the linkers you have to read about. And one more thing I want to tell you, children, that linkers and conjunctions both are the same thing. Okay, so don't be confused. Linkers are called conjunctions also. You have read about parts of speech in which you have read noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunctions and interjections. Conjunctions are linkers. Conjunctions को ही linkers कहते हैं. So don't be confused, children. Now we will know about the use of some linkers. First of all, let us see the use of and. Where we use and? We use and to add one or more word. Okay, or to add one or two or more statements. For example, we can take some sentences. Ram and Shyam are friends. You can see here that we have added here two words, Ram, Shyam, with the linker and now it becomes Ram and Shyam. And when we use and between two singular subject, it has become plural subject. Ram and Shyam are friends. Ram is, Shyam is, but Ram and Shyam are. So don't be confused. Notice it. The use of this subject, this type of subject, where we add two singular to make a plural subject. Second sentence is, today we will go to visit zoo and temple. Here we have added two places. Today we will go to visit. Means where we will go? Two places. Zoo and temple. Here I have added two words. Zoo and temple. Means two places. Zoo with temple. How? By using and. A-N-D and. And third number is, he won a lottery and decided to give the prize money to his mother. Now here I have added two sentences. First sentence is, he won a lottery, and second sentence is, he decided to give the prize money to his mother. Okay, and I have added it with and now it has become one sentence. He won a lottery and decided to give the prize money to his mother. You have already read it in compound sentences, remember. Now, the use of but. Where we will use but, children? But expresses contrast or opposition between two sentences or words. बट जो है वो ऑपोजिशन दिखाता है, कंट्रास्ट दिखाता है, दो वर्ड्स के बीच में, दो सेंटेंसेस के बीच में, दो क्लॉजेस के बीच में. लेट्स सी द एग्जांपल. ही इज रिच बट माइजर. He is rich but miser. Now two contradictory thing. वह अमीर है लेकिन कंजूस है. Okay? He is slow but he is sure. वह धीमा है but sure है कि वो कर लेगा, विन करेगा, जीतेगा या कंप्लीट कर लेगा. He is weak but not a coward. वह कमजोर है लेकिन कायर नहीं है. Okay? He is weak but not a coward. Now let's see the use of or. It expresses choices between two alternatives. Means you have given options, you have to choose any one, then you will use or. For example, you can take some sentences. You must study or you will fail. You have to choose between these two. Either you study or you will fail. You must study or you will fail. Second number, I like to buy this shirt or that one. I like to buy. Okay, what? This one or that one. This shirt or that one. In this way, you can use or. Means where you have to write about options. Either this or this. You will use or. Because. Because tells you reason. To express reason of the sentence, of the work, why you have done this. To express that reason, you will use because. For example, we will take some sentences. First is, I am going to market because I have to buy something. The question is, why I am going to market? And the answer, where we will write the answer, we have to write because also. Okay? In these type of sentences, we will use this linker. This is linking two sentences. You can see here, I am going to market and I have to buy something. Okay, with the word because. Second is, they took part in the race because they wanted to win the trophy. Here again are two sentences. They took part in the race, and second is, they wanted to win the trophy. And we have added these two with because. Why because? Why not and? Why not but? Why not or? Because the second sentence is saying the reason why they took part in the race. Okay, children? Hope you understood the use of and, but, or, and because. And now in my next video, I will do some worksheets from your book. So subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, and don't forget to share it. Thank you.